Hi, and welcome back to LiveBinders. So this video will be a quick guide on what to do in case you forget your LiveBinders password. So from the home screen, I click on Login, and then from the login screen, I can click on Forgot Your Password. Now from here, you can enter your email address to have a recent link sent to your email, or if you're using a student account, you can enter your student username in the line below, and the reset password link will go to your instructor's email address tied to your account. I'm using a free account for the purpose of these videos, so I'll enter my email address here and then click on submit. And then here's the confirmation screen saying it was sent to this address here. And you can contact support if you don't receive it within 15 minutes. Now I can check my email to find the resent link. And here it is. And here's the link to reset the password. And now I can just input my new password here. Okay, and now it's been successfully changed. And I should have gotten a confirmation email. Yes, there it is. Okay, and that's how you change your LiveBinders password.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up below. For more tips and tricks to use on your LiveBinder, subscribe to our channel or visit us at livebinders.com. Thank you.